Fate is the successor to Fate. As for the Fate, all players are active at the same time and have their own board where they put down tile pieces. This time, players have to put down tiles in a demanded form and in the right color as often as possible. Round after round, new orders are added. To start the game, each player has their own game board and a set of game tiles, including one neutral tile. Sort the mission cards by the levels and make them face down in a pile. Shuffle all the starting cards and game cards. Make them face down in a pile. For each stage, players can play 4 rounds. As one level has 4 cards. After finishing each round, players should record their points so that they can know the history. Each player has one starting card and find the same tile as the card and put down it on his own game board. These are the starting cards and players need to find the same tile as the card. While you are playing the game, you have to put the game tile on the top of the game board first and make it slide down in a vertical line. You are not allowed to transform the tile. You are not allowed to transform the tile or change the place. One player turns over one mission card. And one game card. All the players pick up the same game tile as the card and place it on his own game board at the same time. This player has used this game tile already for his starting tile, so this player should wait until his next turn, until the players have the next game card. When you put the tiles on the game board, you have to mind the way to calculate the points for each round. For the game 1, you can have 2 points when you form the same one as the right figure, and you can have 1 point each when you form the same as one of 6 figures in the left hand side. Then the next game card can be turned over. Then players can place the game tile on the game board, minding the calculating way shown on the mission card. Then the next card can be turned over. For each game of the round, you can use the neutral tile ones, and if you do not have the same game tile as the one on the card, you have to wait until the next game card is turned over. If there's no more game card left, or there's any space left on the game board, each round ends. Then players can calculate their points and record it. When you calculate the points, you have to mine the mission card. As you can see, if you make this figure with one color, you can get 2 points. And this person can have 1 point for this figure, and this person can have 2 points for this figure, and this person can have 2 points as well. So for each card, players should record the points. So after finishing 4 cards, players can add up the points and find the winner. There are different ways to calculate the point for the other stages. The stage 2, and stage 3, and stage 4. Same as the first round, the first stage, players can calculate the points as the picture, as the direction shown on the card. If players form this figure with red tile, players can have 2 points each. And if for this card, if one tile is left over, they can get minus 1 point. And if players can form this shape with one color, players can have 4 points.